What's up, you guys? Jason from RPM. We're here with the RZR Pro XPs, the 20 and 21, and from what we understand from players, this model is going to be around for a while, so we jumped straight into it. Our E-valve exhausts were a hit with these machines, but RPM's, we're expanding and we're doing more R&D, and we're moving into other sections of the UTVs and the performance side. So we came out with these sport mufflers. This is the sports muffler specifically for the XP Pro. Nice, deep, throaty sound. It's not obnoxiously loud. There's no catalytic converter in it. Reduces bed heat, and it sounds great. So they're built out of fully stainless steel with polished muffler body. It uses your stock rear fascia. This machine obviously has one installed on it. Super quick and easy install on these. Literally a couple bolts for the rear fascia. Spring tool or vice grips. We sell a spring tool on our website. It's an option when you order these exhausts. And unlike others, ours is going to come with a new gasket there. No matter what you do, if you take this thing apart, muffler gasket needs to be replaced. So we're going to include one for free, and it makes it a lot easier and quicker, and there's no downtime. So the direct drop-in replacement for your stock one, like I said, uses the stock rear fascia, and that's the look that a lot of guys were going for, and that's the look that we prefer. I know there's a bunch of exhaust out there that use rear fascias and modify this, modify that, but we just like to keep it simple, and that's where we're at. We do have one coming out that's going to have a replacement rear fascia, and that one will be out here before long. And for now, a cheap, affordable, easy thing to modify your player's RZR Pro XP for performance with no catalytic converter is the RPM Sport Muffler. These are going to be $489.95 on the website, RPM SxS.com. They're in stock, so go scoop one up. These fit all the pro models, and let's jump to it. Let's hear it.